IELTS Reading Lecture 1. The very simplest type of question that we have is fill-ups type of question. Very simple. What you need to track in fill-ups type of question? Always nouns. Nouns are mostly the answer. Nouns are before and after of, after a and the. Is that clear? Now, we have a question that is, in Tennoji Zoo, a bear has been seen using a branch as a dash. This allowed him to knock down some dash. I know that I have this question. I have to check the keywords from the question. Keywords like Tennoji Zoo, bear, branch as a dash. After a, I know that what I will be using? Noun. Okay. So when I locate this keyword in the paragraph, जब मैं ये वाले keyword किसी paragraph में देखूंगी तो मुझे क्या दिखेगा? मुझे ये वाली line दिखेगी. A male bear, मुझे bear वाला word मिल गया. Called Gogo in Tennoji Zoo, तो मुझे क्या मिल गया? Tennoji Zoo भी मिल गया. Has even been observed. Seen का synonym क्या मिला? Observed. Making use. A branch as a tool. मतलब किस चीज का यूज कर रहा था वो? टूल का यूज कर रहा था. Making use of a tool to manipulate the environment. Using a branch as a क्या? Tool. तो आंसर क्या आया? This allowed him to knock down some dash. अब जिसने उसको अलाउ किया to knock down some dash. knock down कीवर्ड है. some. अगर blank से पहले कोई कीवर्ड होता है तो आपको उसका synonym मिलता है. जैसे the bear used a tree branch. tree branch मतलब this. ठीक है. On multiple occasions to. किस लिए? To dislodge a piece of meat. तो knockdown का synonym क्या है? Dislodge. Some का synonym क्या है? A piece of. किसका piece of? Meat का. तो आंसर क्या लिखोगे? Meat. Is that clear? Sure. चलो एक और stanza लेते हैं. एक और stanza. Let's take one more stanza to understand fill-ups type of question, because it is very easy and you have a good chance to get very good and all correct answers. So if I take the stanza as the Uffington white horse, the instruction is one word only. Take it. So we have the location of the Uffington white horse. Full stop. 3 points are given. A distance, 2 points. A distance of 2.5 kilometer from Uffington village near an ancient road known as the dash. Is that clear? Page number 41. Fine. Now if I locate this information, so it is written here, the horse is situated 2.5 kilometers from Uffington village on a steep slope close to the late Bronze Age hill fort of Uffington Castle below the ridgeway. Below the ridgeway. In bracket, or they have after comma, they have described what is ridgeway. It is a long distance Neolithic track. Neolithic track. Okay? Okay, pay attention here now. So, the location of the Uffington White Horse. Location, Uffington White Horse. The distance of 2.5 kilometers from Uffington Valley, near an ancient road known as the dash. After the, I know what has to come? Noun has to come. Locate the same. Location means they are talking about it is situated. 2.5 kilometer I got it from Uffington village. I got Uffington village on the steep slope close to the late Bronze Age. Near an ancient road known as the hill fort of Uffington Castle, and below the ridgeway. Near, below, ancient road known as the dash. So, the ridgeway. What is ridgeway? It is a long distance Neolithic track, which is also called ancient road. So, what should be the answer? The answer has to be ridgeway. Is that clear? How we can spot the answer? So this is the way we have to underline the keywords. We need to locate the keywords in the paragraph. Once we get the keywords, we need to check what answer, what word will come there in the sentence. Whatever 2 or 3 words you will get confused, try to substitute those words and check the answer. What is the most appropriate answer? Is that clear? Before the blank, if any keyword is coming, you will be finding the synonym of that keyword. But before the blank, if a and the of is coming, so noun will come. Is that clear? This is a way how you can spot Phillips type of questions in reading. Any doubt? Find out for the next time.